I got a interesting package. Guess we got some Nikkei stuff. Oh, god damn it. Can you guess what it is? It's mint. It's anise. It's Prica. It's TT Star. Oh my god, let's go. What did I get? Thank you, Nikkei, for sending me this 3.5 anniversary merchandise box. Let's check it out. Moment of truth. Be your star, be my star. Wow! What are these? Let's take this slowly. Okay, first things first. We got the IDs of Anis. Certificate of the best idol Nikkei. Kinda cheesy. Oh, it's even got her signature. Oh wow, wowee. We got mint with the signature and all. Certificate of the best idol Nikkei. Applies with everyone. And then we have Prica. And their signatures are fun. We'll kept in each of their signatures. Meow meow. And then here, holy, it's the ticket to their concert. Amabia Scalper. I'm selling this for 5,000. Anyways, we still have more under here. Let's check it out. And bagoosh! Whoa! Fancy! Whoa! Got the acrylic stand of the TT Star. Whoa! And then we got a sticker pack of the silly chibis that appear in the tracing the stars in the glowy. Hello! Wow! Is it one pack? It's 2 sets. Fancy. Whoa! Very nice. That's my idol. And then next here we have. Is this one of those cheering props? Oh no, I gotta be careful here. I definitely did not skip my struggle. Here we go. We have Thor's hammer and some stuff. Wow. No, it's that stick. As you can see, we have no batteryot. So let's get some batteries. We get some batteries in. Let's see. Touch you once. Woo! Touch you twice. Wow. Wow, it's got the colors of the TT Star. Got anise, got mint, got Prica. Whoa. And we gotta do a private concert. Whew, that was fun. Now to return these. Once again, thank you Nikkei for sending this over. I really like this merch box. I'm thankful to even have one of these in the first place. So yeah, some good stuff, and we will all love TT Star. This was one of the best anniversaries to date. Yes, the Doros have found the concert most entertaining. Hi. Ooh, free food.